Welcome to BW Workshop, and this video is going to be entitled The Day in the Life of a Handyman. Had a real bad case of mold in here. They took out a lot of sheetrock. A lot of the rooms are missing sheetrock on the bottoms of the walls, all the wet areas. Bathroom over there. This kitchen's got the ceiling tore out of it. There was a grid lighting system. I think they're going to go to cans. This little bathroom right here. Everything's been taken out at the knee level, but at any rate, it'll be a few weeks on this job. It's got 2 stories, 3 or 4 bathrooms, and all this popcorn ceiling's coming off and getting repainted, retextured. And let's go up here. Get this here. Got a little damage in here. This would be a good starting spot. Just a little sheetrock here. Bathrooms here. Another bathroom right over there. Tub's all gone. Shower's gone. Pretty cool house, little farmhouse. For some reason they doubled this floor up. I don't know why they would do that. But yeah, something was wrong with this plumbing too. I think this is probably the plumbing that was leaking that caused the problem. Another room, more ceilings and walls out. I think I figured it was going to take about 25 sheets of sheetrock to fix this. We'll see if I was right. I don't know why that would be like that. Oh, the air duct. Yeah, the air ducts were the one responsible for spilling out all the mold, I guess. Starting there. There's one piece in here. So start in here. That's just what we'll do. Figures to be about 5 weeks with everything. The plumber's got to replumb. The electrician's got to do new lighting in the kitchen. And then we'll address the floor. That's going to be a separate bid, because I don't really do floors. At any rate, this is the first day out here. Access to the building. And I'm just trying to get a feel for how we're going to attack this. Fix that. Guess I'll have to get my scaffolding in here to get to that. Ugh. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'm going to start this job. It's December 26th. And we'll just make this a big long vlog, I guess. Look at this scene. Look at this view, though. Totally cool. Love to wake up in this bedroom. Anyway, this is about what my channel is about. BW Workshop started as a just like a woodcraft thing, just going out and really just learning how to film, how to use the editing software, there's only so many projects that you can really film in the shed. I did some Halloween decorations, and yeah, I could have done some Christmas decorations too, but it'd have been the same format, pretty much the same kind of stuff. And there's only so much of that you can really do in such a way to where you make something, you speed it up while you're doing all the noisy stuff, and you want 100 videos of pretty much the same thing. Yeah, if there's something I'm going to build, and I built some cool stuff that I didn't film. I wish I would have filmed it. But anyways, that was in the beginning, and it's been several months now. I'm 40 videos in, and I haven't really introduced myself. So I'm Brad. I live in Oklahoma, and I'm a handyman. The downside of being a handyman is 90% of the time I am by myself. So part of this YouTube video, this outlet, is for me to talk to people. My hope is that I can do live streams and see people chatting in the chat. And because my only interest isn't just working on houses or building things in the shed, I have other interests too. And the YouTube gurus all say to niche down or niche down. And I don't feel like doing that. I don't want to niche down. I don't want to, these are coming from people that the only thing they talk about is teaching you how to make YouTube videos. Yeah, there's growth in that. The fact of the matter is, I've told several people that they need to start a YouTube channel. And you should too. Part of the reason for doing it is it keeps your mind active. Secondly, it kind of keeps you thinking about what you're doing, and it's a creative outlet. My grandkids, if I ever have any, to kind of know who their grandfather is. I can't look back and see who my dad was. That would be kind of a cool thing to maybe see some old videos. But we live in a different age now. It's 2020, almost 2025. And I think in 75 years, not that anybody will care, but maybe my great-great-grandchildren will want to look back and see what I was doing back in the olden days of 2025. So that's kind of what I'm building up for on this channel. I'd like to hear back from you. I have 123 subscribers right now. I've been at just over 100 subscribers for about a month or so now. And I've done all these different videos. I've done several different videos where I've done the woodworking projects. I've done some of the AI, which they're not really AI yet. It's stock video. I guess AI put it together, but it's not AI generated video. The time to do it is now for me, is to experiment with these different videos and see what I like doing. I really like the idea of like a live stream, almost like the old school call-ins, but I don't know how to do that yet. I don't even know how I could do the live stream, but I don't know how to do, like, if there was somebody else to talk to, like across the internet or something like that, how to get their video in or anything like that. So the growth of this channel is not as important to me as the people that subscribe to my channel. I want them to know what they're getting, and what they're getting, you're getting a variety. So if you just want woodworking videos, or you just want, a certain kind of video, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to provide that. And I understand if you want to unsubscribe, if you don't want to see this stuff. What I do want is a community of some like-minded people, open-minded people. I just want to thank those of you that did subscribe and have enjoyed the videos. And I'm going to let you go at this, but I'll do this unedited video just so you can see I'm a real person that makes real mistakes, and I'm just trying to put out some content, not only for my entertainment, for your entertainment, but also for a community of people that can grow together and communicate with each other. That's what I'm looking for. I get a few comments every now and then on a video. I really like those comments. I like hearing from people. And good or bad, give me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Until next time.